Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Xbox app with the error code 0x80090010 in Windows 10 computer. So this error is commonly known as error code 0x80090010, which is accompanied by the message something went wrong, and several factors include outdated Windows system, corrupted system files, and improper system shutdown. And then I'll show you some steps to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to reset the Microsoft Store cache. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu. And then here you need to type this command keyword WS reset. And then next step, then you need to click this open. So this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. So that's why we will do this command keyword WS reset.exe to make this Microsoft Store back to default settings and to fix this error. Alright, so once you're done here at Microsoft Store, then we need to close if the error still persists. And the next solutions we will do is to reset the Xbox Live services. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu. And then you need to type this command keyword services. And then you need to click open. And then once you open up here at services and services local, and then next step, then we need to find and locate this Xbox Live. Then we need to scroll down, and then you can see now those Xbox Live. So all you have to do is to modify those Xbox related services. So we have here Xbox Live Auth Manager. So all you have to do is to select and then right click and then tap this properties. And then here now at general properties, startup type, then you need to click this arrow and select this automatic. And then you can see the service status, and then you need to click this start and wait to complete the start process. And then after that, click apply and then click OK. And the next one, this is the Xbox Live Game Save. So all you have to do is to modify again, click and then right click and then select this properties. And then here at general properties, startup type, click this arrow, select automatic, and then again, you need to click this service status, tap or click this start and wait to complete the start process. And then after that, click apply and then click OK. And the last one, this is the Xbox Live Networking Services. So same procedure, select and then right click and then click this properties. And then here at general properties, startup type, click this arrow, select automatic, and then again, here at service status, then you need to tap or click this start and wait to complete the start process and then click apply and then click OK. Alright, so after here at services, and then we need to close again. If the error still persists, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to reset now the Xbox app. So all you have to do is to click again on the search menu and then you need to type Xbox. And again, you need to select this app settings. And then once you open up here at Xbox Console Companions settings, and then you need to scroll down and then find and locate this reset. So if this app isn't working right, then we need to reset now, then tap or click this reset. And then this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. And then you need to click this reset and wait to complete the reset process. And then after that, then we need to close and then we need to restart this PC. So click here at power button, then click this restart to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys. And thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows error on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.